Now it's time to engage all of your lower body and improve your hip, ankle, and knee mobility with self-assisted hangs from a deep squat. This will really help you extend the time under tension. This will also increase your hip flexion or bendability to prep your body for the leg raises to come later in the program for incredible ab work. Depending on your bar height and individual setup, you may need to elevate your feet with the goal of getting your thighs about parallel to the floor. Now we can go above and below that or mix up the range of motion from set to set or within the set, but that's a great range of motion to try to achieve, and I'll tell you, this is one of the best lat stretches I've ever had. It's kind of where mobility meets muscle gain, especially when you push those 2-minute sets. Now you can hold it for time and just go straight static isometric, or keep mixing in your shrugs and other multi-directional movements. The quad burn is really off the charts. In fact, try to focus on driving your feet underground to really maximize the quadricep engagement, fortify the knees, and again, continue to stretch and strengthen the entire shoulder girdle. This drill will also ease knee pain, allowing you to strengthen your legs and glutes, continue to work your squat pattern unloaded or as unloaded as you need. Use as much arm assistance as you need to stay out of pain. As someone who's been battling knee problems, arthritis, bone spurs, there's some days it's the only way I can get into position, especially if it's inflamed. We can also elevate the heels on the slant board, which allows us to bypass ankle mobility issues and increase the range of motion in the knees and hips to get that real deep squat, kind of ass to grass position. I also find it improves your ankle mobility the more you spend time in that shape.